Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Brightly. Today, I'll be talking about the things you need to carry when going on a backpack trip. Backpacking can be a fun and adventurous way to travel, but it's important to make sure you have everything you need to make your trip comfortable and enjoyable. 1. Backpack. Make sure you have a good quality backpack that is comfortable and suitable for your trip. Consider the size, weight, and features of the backpack, such as pockets and straps. 2. Clothing. Bring lightweight and versatile clothing that can be easily washed and dried on the go. Consider the climate and weather conditions at your destination, and make sure to pack appropriate clothing and footwear. 3. Sleeping gear. A good night's sleep is essential for any trip, so make sure you have a comfortable sleeping bag and a lightweight sleeping pad. Consider the conditions at your destination and the type of sleeping accommodation you'll have. 4. First aid kit. Having a first aid kit is always a good idea, especially when backpacking. Make sure it includes essentials such as pain relievers, band-aids, and any prescription medications you may need. 5. Navigation tools. Having a map and a compass, or a GPS device, can be essential for navigating in the wilderness. Make sure you know how to use these tools and always carry them with you. 6. Hydration and food. Make sure you have a water bottle and a way to purify water on the go. Pack non-perishable snacks and meals to keep you fueled during your trips. 7. Light source. A headlamp or a flashlight can be useful in case of an emergency or if you need to find your way in the dark. Make sure to pack extra batteries or a backup source of light. 8. Emergency shelter. A lightweight and compact tent or bivy sack can provide you with shelter in case of an emergency. Consider the climate and weather conditions at your destination and pack accordingly. By carrying these essentials, you'll be prepared for any situation and have a great time on your backpacking trip. Remember to always practice leave no trace principles and respect the natural environment you'll be exploring. So, these are the things you should consider carrying before going